Well, hello, foodies. It's Denise, and I am back in my essential kitchen doing things essentially for you and essentially for me. First, before getting started, I'd like to say welcome to my first time viewers and welcome back to my most loyal subscribers. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. Even comment on what I'm about to display here today. I'd love to make you an intricate part of my foodie family where we can indulge ourselves in good food in honor of this being the first day of a beautiful, new, exciting year 2024. I thought I'd go traditional with you foodies and share with you my simple preparation of a few items that we're going to indulge in today. Black-eyed peas is always on top of the list of New Year's Day celebration. So I'm going to just show you. Some of you have never put a black-eyed pea in your kitchen, on your table, in your bowls, or in your pots. So what I did was purchase pre-cooked, ready-to-cook black-eyed peas from my local grocer. Please do get the dried ones. They are perfect. I use those to serve to my customers all the time, and they taste delicious. You just have to soak them overnight so they get all plump. But we're going to use these. They were all sold out of those, so this is all we had. So that's what we're going to use. And I'm going to wash them again to make certain that we've got all debris out of them. I use baking soda to wash all of my veggies. I just sprinkle a nice little amount in there, and I let it soak for just a moment. So I've got my peas in the sink sitting over there. I don't think my camera goes quite that far. And I put baking soda in there. And we're going to just let it soak for a moment and come back and move to the second step. All right, foodies. I believe that our peas have soaked a little bit and got any foreign debris off of it. So what I've done now, I'm going to rinse it one more time. I'm a clean freak. That's what I love, cleanliness. So I repositioned the camera so you can see just a little bit better. So I got the peas from one container to another. And now they're ready to go into my pot. But first, I'm going to apply seasoning. Usually, I like to season with turkey legs or turkey wings or some form of turkey. That gives it a very nice flavor. I used to use the smoked turkey. However, smoked turkey has more oxidation in it, and I'm trying to get as pure as possible. So we don't want to use the smoked turkey. We're just going to use turkey, sliced turkey, which is probably just as polluted. And I don't want to say polluted. It sounds like we're eating something that's not edible. But this turkey is processed. But it's minimal because I bought this at one, I believe Whole Foods, and they did not use any types of preservatives to prepare it. So we're going to use about 2 to 3 slices of turkey in our pan. So I have my red bell pepper all good to go and ready to go in my pot that I'm going to use to prepare my black eyed peas in. I'm going to transfer this to my oven. Before transferring it to the oven, I'm going to add a bit of avocado oil, just a little bit of avocado oil, maybe a teaspoonful. Foodies, let's add a bit of garlic to our peas. That's going to help. Now, this is for me. You don't have to use this much. I love nightshades, garlic, onions. I can eat those by themselves. You probably say, oh, yes, I can. So I'm going to cut them in no certain type of shape. They can be bulky because they're going to be cut in our peas. And I don't mind chewing them. I have already put my peas on the oven, so let me transfer the garlic to the peas. All right, Foodies, I have brought my peas back over so that you can view every step of this process. You'll thank me later because you have a live view of preparing the best black-eyed peas for your family. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the red bell peppers in there. I've got my turkey slices. I have my onions and the garlic. It smells so good. Now this is the seasoning part. We're going to add, I wanted you to see the type of salt that I use. I use this one, Redmond's Real Salt, but I have some already in my shaker. So I'm going to shake just a bit of salt, maybe 1/8 of a teaspoonful. And I'm using these garlic and herbs here that I just picked up somewhere. They taste pretty tasty. Nothing in it but some garlic and some herbs, some just regular basic herbs such as, let's see. Okay, I'm going to suggest using thyme, basil, rosemary, any of those herbs that you like the taste of, just to give your peas a lift. So I'm going to add a bit of black pepper, and I'm going to use chicken broth. This is the chicken broth that I prefer using. And I'm just going to fill it up. I have several containers of this chicken broth that I am using. And look at it. Now you know that's going to be delicious. We're going to sit it on my oven at a medium temperature. But first, I like to start it off high for about a minute. And after that, I'll turn it all the way down to about, I have an electric oven, so it goes from 1 to 9. 9 is the highest. So I'll turn this down to about a 4 and let it cook for about 45 minutes. I have my timer set for 60 minutes, and we'll be checking on it after about 45 minutes to see where we are with those black-eyed peas. But that is the way that you would prepare a delicious pot of black-eyed peas. Coming up next are collard green mixture. The store did not have any collard greens, so what I bought was a super green country blend. So it's got collards, mustards, and turnips. So we're going to prepare them very similar to the way that we prepared the black-eyed peas. Remember, we're looking for flavor and nutrition. Those are two most important factors in cooking.